Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Word installed and signed in. That lets autosave work and keeps your files synced. Once done, enable OneDrive or iCloud so changes back up automatically. Now open Word and tap the plus icon to create a new blank document or pick a template for a head start. You do this to avoid reformatting later and to use cloud storage. Make sure your on-screen keyboard or an external keyboard is connected before you start typing. You'll now compose and format. Tap to place the cursor and type, or use an external keyboard for faster input. Use the ribbon tabs, Home to set font and styles, Insert to add images or tables, and Draw for annotations. Once content exists, apply styles to keep headings consistent. That also creates an automatic navigation outline. Make sure to pinch zoom or rotate the iPad for layout checks. If you need precise placement, hold and drag objects. Use the arrange options to wrap text. Finish by making sure changes are saved. Autosave keeps a live copy if you're signed in, but use File Save as to export PDF or save a local copy if needed. To collaborate, tap the share icon, choose OneDrive or Mail, and set Edit versus View permissions. When you're done, close the document. Word will keep it in recent. If Word freezes or behaves oddly, force quit the app and reopen. Then check for app updates and available iPad storage before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.